welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And if you want to subscribe, I would love that. And if you are not new here and you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I genuinely appreciate all of the love and support. I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be testing out this Maybelline TattooStudio brow pencil. I think it's a pencil, but we're gonna see. It's supposed to give you like real looking brow hairs, which I'm super excited about. And if this looks familiar, I just filmed a video talking about the new Maybelline Sky High mascara, so definitely check that one out too. I'll have it somewhere up here. But yeah, I'm going to be talking to you guys about this product here, so we're just going to break right into it. My brows, I feel like, are super difficult to like fill in. I just feel like they're never even, or they're sparse in areas, and it's just hard to like get powder to look authentic. So I'm just going to wipe off my brows because I have them filled in with powder right now. So as you can see, I'm wiping them off. Okay, unfortunately these are my all natural brows, so you can see they're kind of sparse at the ends here. They need some help here at the beginning. This side needs a little some too. But yeah, these are my brows. So I'm just gonna bring you guys in. Whew. Alright, I have never used this, so I don't know if I'm going to do it right or anything, but we're going to give it a shot. So I'm just going to bring you guys in close. Let me get my bearings here. Okay, wait, what? Okay. Oh boy. This is working. Oh, wait. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere, but I don't think it's doing what I want. Okay. It's a little difficult to use. I feel like you need to really practice. They make it look so easy on these commercials. They like go up like that. I don't know if anything's coming out. Okay, I don't know. This thing is not what I thought it was going to be. It's like a marker. I thought that the hair or the ends were going to be a little bit more flexible. Let's do this again. I'm going to take this off and we're going to try this again. Okay, I went ahead and did this side off camera just so I could see a little bit better. It's pretty difficult to do. I feel like you really need to practice with this thing because it's just hard to know what to do with it. I don't know. But yeah. I did this side. It looks okay. I'm not really impressed. But yeah, I basically just outlined the underneath, did these like hair-like motions, and just kind of flicked the stuff through my brows. It's like you're trying to create hair-like strokes. But man, is this difficult to use. Okay, they look really strange. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not using this thing right, or maybe I'm just gonna have to practice with it. But they look not even. They don't look good to me at all. They look kind of like fake, which I hate. I don't like that look at all. The wearability, I'm not sure. You gotta let these dry. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I feel like the tattoo stuff where you like paint it on and peel it off might be better than this pen. I don't know. I feel like it just takes practice. If you don't know what you're doing, this might be a difficult product to use. As you can see, I'm struggling using it. But we can like try to test it out if it like wipes off. Pretty good. No transfer. Nothing. I don't think. Is it coming off? I don't think so. I feel like I messed up the bottom here. I don't know, that's all my fault. I just don't like my brows. I don't like them at all. Oh my god, it looks so bad. It looks so bad. I hate it. Oh my god. But yeah, it's not coming off. So the tattoo part at least holds up. Like, it's not going to wipe off like onto your fingers or anything. I can like rub them and there's nothing. There's nothing on my fingers, right? I have to double check. Nope. So yeah, I mean, maybe if you know how to use this thing, it'll work great for you. Me, not so much. I'm not an artistic person. I need something that is easy to use. So if you guys recommend the Maybelline brow tattoo peel off stuff, let me know if that works better for you guys if you tried it, or if you tried this thing and you have like a technique to it and you know, or if you have a review on this and you know how to use it, let me know down below, because I'm kind of disappointed. I was really excited about this product. But I mean, at least it doesn't wear off. I think that's a great feature to have, especially if you're like working out, going to the beach. Like, obviously it comes off with makeup remover, but you know, it says it's not supposed to transfer, it doesn't smudge. So, you know, you can wear this to the beach, you can wear this during a workout, and it's not going to, you know, go anywhere, which is awesome. But, you know, from the photos, it looks so amazing what they're able to achieve on here, on this photo down here. And I'm not getting that result, so I'm gonna have to play around more with this. And if I actually come up with like a great way to use this, I'll do a eyebrow routine video and I'll show you guys how to use this thing. But I need more practice, and I need you guys to tell me below what I'm doing wrong or what I need to be doing to use this right. Because your girl's disappointed. But if you want to see a better review, I have that Maybelline video testing out the Sky High mascara, so don't forget to check that out, because that one's a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!